back friends. In this video, we will learn a super smart multiplication tricks. Let us take these examples. First I will solve, then I will explain. Let us take the first question. 92 into 98. 9016. Let us take the second question. 67 into 63 will be 4221. Let us take the third question. 106 into 104 will give us 11024. Let me now explain the trick. What comes after 9? 10. What comes after 6? 7. What comes after 10? 11. 10 9s are 90. 8 2s are 16. 7 6s are 42. 7 3s are 21. 11 10s are 110. 6 4s are 24. This is the normal method to solve first question. This is the normal method to solve the second question. This is the normal method to solve the third question. Have you observed there is a pattern in this question? 8 plus 2 will be 10. 7 plus 3 will be 10. 6 plus 4 will be 10. Here we have 9, here also we have 9. Here is 6, here also is 6. Here we have 10, here also we have 10. Note, this trick will work only if point 1. The sum of digits at units place is 10. Point 2. Remaining digit in both the numbers are same. I hope you learned something new from my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.